Greetings everyone, my name is Madea Allen. I'm a holistic chef, culinary and nutrition educator, and owner of Organic Soul Chef. I love teaching busy parents how to transform their family's health through wholesome home cooking and eating. So what I've found in my work is that cooking is one of the most rewarding and easiest ways to improve your health. So what I want to do is a show called Madea's Soul Cooking, where I am upgrading standard soul food recipes to make them taste better and to make you feel better. So most people think that you can't have both flavor and healthy in the same mix. I'm here to show you that you definitely can, and you can have a lot of fun doing it. So I think Madea's Soul Cooking would be an excellent show to watch because people are now waking up to the reality that it's important to eat to live. And this show would be a great way to kickstart that journey. Thank you so much in advance, WHUT.